So it's come to my attention that people are using PowerPoint to do graphic design, and I just have to stop that nonsense right now. There's much better alternatives. Much better. Today we're going to be covering Canva. Alright, well, Canva is a good program for when you're a beginner and you can't afford to spend money on Creative Suite programs like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. Um, it will allow you to create a large variety of different types of graphics with different dimensions, and you can do print and web. Um, it's a great service. It works right out of your browser, and it's a lot more versatile than PowerPoint. So let's get at it. All right. So to begin, we're going to create a new design, and I'm going to be creating, in this particular tutorial, a header image for social media. Let's go with the Twitter image. Since Twitter is my favorite social network. And here you can pick from a bunch of different templates. There's lots of options available. I think for me, I'm going to go with this first one here because it's epic. Alright. So you can easily click on things to change text. For example, let's type in adventure. I could use an adventure, you know? Travel the world, visit different countries, see the sights, eat lots of yummy food. Yeah, it'd be great. So I don't know if I want to go visit the mountains. Where do I want to go on my trip? Well, I guess we could see what's in here. Where will our adventure take us? Oh, well, how about we go to the woods? So if you click it, it will bring it up in its full in a size that can fit within. So we're not going to do that. I'm going to drag it onto the photo, which will give you this. And that is pretty perfect. Wondering what that would look like in black. Feels like it fits a lot better. But for this particular one, I think I'd like to, you can use your keyboard keys, your arrow keys to nudge it up. I think I'm going to maybe resize this a bit. You can change the size of your font there. So that's kind of altering someone else's. There are other options that you can do. You can change the fonts and all that. You can also apply filters. Let's see if there's any filter that works. Some that can be very hit and miss depending on the tone of what you're going for. I think I'll go without a filter for this one. Go normal. There's also other options if you want to alter each of these individually. Just play around with the filters and see what you like. There's also options to crop and flip your photos. Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to make one from scratch as well. So we're going to go back to the main page, and let's bring up Twitter header. And I'm going to bring one of the images that I uploaded. It's this little one here. So let's start here. You can put different backgrounds on these things. I don't particularly like any of these. So I'm going to go with just a plain color. I'll go with that for now. And then we can add a text. You can also create your text from scratch, or you can use one of these for convenience sake. I'll show you how to do one of these. Uh-oh. So I'm going to take this, center it a bit. How's that? And like before, you can change your color. Let's see what black looks like. How about we offer free maybe free, and then we will turn on turret reading. I apologize in advance if there's any background noise. There's singing going on. I can't really control that at the moment. For all extensive purposes, it's very beautiful singing. Alright. So we're going to put in with any purchase. Now we're going to use the shape tool. I basically click shape and put that together. And I'm going to change the color to black. there's other things that you can do. You can put illustrations. I don't do this in my own stuff because I'm the graphic designer and should be making my own clip art. So let's go with a moon. And this is perfect. I'm just going to resize this. And I'm not sure how this is going to look, but it looks like it'd be cool. So I'll go with it. And I'm going to need to move this. If you haven't checked out my blog post from last week, it's all on theories of good design. Solid, stunning design. If you follow them, you'll guarantee that your design is stunning. Plus, it's a very, very funny article. A little dirty, but funny. Alright. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Actually, I'm going to make the overall a little bigger. And there you have it. Just a simple one. Alright. Alright, I'm just going to do a little cleanup now. I don't really want that moon in after all. I just really wanted to show you how to do shapes. And I might just pull this a little bit more over. And then I'll move this a little bit over here so that it's centered. Here. And I might actually see what switching up these colors does. Beautiful. There we go. Now, that should do for now. You can always fine-tune things. And I'm a big fan of nitpicking just to make sure everything is meticulously right. But yeah, there's our banner for a free tarot reading. And the idea is more on the tarot. But anyways, my perfectionism aside, well, that's it for today. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to ask in the comments below, or if you have any ideas for content for the future, I'm all ears. I'd like to take this opportunity to let you know that I'm starting a newsletter next week. It's tips and tricks from Asgard. There will also be free templates that you will be able to use. Um, yeah. Um, yeah, if you like what you saw, feel free to subscribe. I'll be putting a button somewhere on here. And that's about it for today. So take care.